SimuStocks is an educational stock simulator that allows students and any stock market beginners or enthusiasts to practice their trading skills or to become familiar with the stock market without the risk of losing any real-life funds. This simulator is connected directly to real-life stock markets, including the prices and the daily changes. In this program, flexible and user-friendly trading are integrated into the stock simulator to allow for real-life experience of the market without fears of any financial losses. SimuStocks provide a valuable learning experience in schools and professional environments that can benefit beginners towards building a stable and rewarding financial portfolio.
Okay, so welcome guys to the main page of StockSims. On this page, users will have an option to either log in or sign up. So existing users can actually use the login feature with their existing credentials, but for our demonstration, we'll just be signing up. So once we get into the sign up page, users will be able to sign up with a username, email address, and a password, like we are doing right now. And once the user clicks sign up, their credentials will be stored in the database and they will be redirected to the login page. So after they fill out their username and password again, they will click log in and then they will be redirected to the user page profile.
So this is our watch list page. Now in this watch list page, as you can see, we have an account and our account balance is around $10,000. That's what we decided is a fair number to start off with. So as you can see below, we have a table and list of a few companies and stocks to pick from. So these are the standard big companies that everyone knows: Apple, Google, and Amazon. We could see we had the price listed there, and we also have the change listed from the day before. We also, if we want to buy the stock, we could enter the amount of shares we want to purchase, and then we could press the buy button. So for example, if we wanted to buy 5 shares of Apple, we could enter 5 in here, and then we could buy, and then we click that, and it should say, there we go, successfully purchased 5 shares of Apple. Now, once we press OK, we could see that we have deduction from our balance, and then we get our table to update. Now, it disappears for a second, and then it reappears as it needs to recheck for the live prices in order to guarantee trueness. Another thing you can do is add a stock. So how you add a stock is you click the add stock button and say you want to add Nokia, for example. You could enter the Nokia symbol and OK. So you could type NOK and press continue. And then Nokia will show up on the symbols. So I just had to update for a second, get all the prices, and then boom, we get Nokia. So say we don't want Amazon anymore. We feel like Amazon's too expensive for us. We could press the little delete button for Amazon, and that will delete it and go back to the database, update all the prices, and return us back these stocks. Now, every time we do something, it will obviously update the price to ensure that we're in the current price. And one more thing is that if we ever say, for an example, if we enter 10,000 Apple, which we obviously don't have the funds for, we have preventative measures. So if we press buy, it will give us a warning that says we don't have any.
Okay, so now that we actually experienced what it was like at a user profile, now we're just going to go right ahead into our portfolio page. So once we enter this page, what we will see is the shares that we actually bought in the previous page. So as you can see, we actually bought 5 shares of Apple at a value of $659, and the balance is still at the right side, so you can still see that. So in this portfolio page, what you're going to do is sell your stocks. So you enter an amount into the box. So for example, I want to sell like three shares. I'll type in 3, then I'll click sell, and what will happen is now you see that the share actually went down and the balance also changed at the top right. So this is really cool. So basically, users can do this anytime they want. They can switch back to the watch list, and they can go to the portfolio page whenever they want. So this is just giving them a really nice idea of what the stock market actually is like.
Our goal with this project is to create an easily accessible simulator of the live stock market to provide beginners with a risk-free trading platform, allowing them to gain valuable first-hand experience along the way. We hope to bring SimuStocks to more beginners to improve their understanding of the market before they start trading real money.